Hey guys, I wanted to show you this great portable bed that the brand sent me to try out. My son and his family come to visit quite often, and we have a guest room and we have a Murphy, but the boys are getting bigger now, so I'm very excited to have this twin size rollaway bed. It's very easy to store. You just need to put it in a closet. You can lift it up like that, but it's really super easy to roll around wherever you need it. And then it comes with these great Velcro straps that you can just undo, and then you just pop the sides out, and it's very simple. And then it's ready to go. And it's actually, let me get on here for you. It's actually really comfortable. I really like this Memory Foam Mattress that they used on it. It's super comfortable. And I think the boys are really going to like it. They may even fight over it. They may even fight over who gets which bed, which is kind of funny. Each of the cushion covers are also unzippable. So if you do get a spill or something, you can just take the cover off completely and throw the whole thing in the washing machine. That's a really great feature. And I think we're going to get a lot of use out of it, especially when not just my son's family, but the entire family comes. We can always use more sleeping space. Another way I'll be able to use this is if we go camping and I want to take just the mattress pad, will fit great on the living room in my camper to make an extra bed and would be easy to travel with. So I really like it, and thanks for watching.